Hello, kids! Welcome back to our fun learning video. Today, we are going to learn 10 fruit names in English. Are you ready? Say it with me. Let's start. 1. Apple. This is an apple. Apple is red and juicy. Apples are good for your health. Say it with me. Apple. 2. Banana. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow and sweet. Monkeys love bananas. Say it with me. Banana. 3. Mango. This is a mango. Mango is called the king of fruits. It is very sweet and tasty. Say it. Mango. 4. Orange. This is an orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C. They help us stay strong. Say it. Orange. 5. Grapes. These are grapes. Grapes can be green or purple. They are small and sweet. Say it. Grapes. 6. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Pineapple has a spiky skin. It is sweet and a little tangy. Say it. Pineapple. 7. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberries are red and yummy. They have tiny seeds outside. Say it. Strawberry. 8. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelons are big and juicy. They help keep us cool in summer. Say it. Watermelon. 9. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is small and green inside. It tastes sweet and sour. Say it. Kiwi. 10. Cherry. These are cherries. Cherries are small and red. They are very delicious. Say it. Cherry. Wow! Well done, kids! Today, you learned 10 fruit names in English. Let's say them together one more time. Apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes, pineapple, strawberry, watermelon, kiwi, cherry. Great job! Don't forget to eat fruits and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, kids. And kids, ask your parents to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos.